Welcome to Molly's Kitchen. I am going to show you how to prepare colocasia fry. Let's start cooking. Take pressure cooker, add around 750 grams of colocasia, add water for boiling, cover it with a lid. Cook it in medium flame for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Once pressure goes off, take out the lid and now cool colocasia completely. Once colocasia is cooled, peel the skin and keep them in a plate. Now cut them into small pieces. After cutting them into small pieces, dry them for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, once colocasia is dried, take a kadai, add 1 cup of oil for deep fry. Once oil is heated, keep the flame in high, add colocasia pieces, and fry them till they turn to golden brown color. Stir it occasionally. Once they turn to golden brown color, take them into a plate. Now take another kadai, add 2 spoons of oil, keep the flame in medium, add 2 red chilli, 1 spoon of chana dal, 1 spoon of urad dal, 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Mix it nicely. Once mustard starts spluttering, add few curry leaves, 1/4 spoon of hing. Mix it nicely. And now add fried colocasia pieces. Add 1/4 spoon turmeric powder. Salt as per your taste. I am adding 1/4 spoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of chilli powder. Mix it nicely. Keep the flame in low and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, colocasia fry is ready.